arrest.
Hands up. With your right hand, take your seatbelt off.
Can you roll your window down?
No, sir. Can I help you? What did you pull me over for?
I'll explain it to you. You're going to roll your window down.
No, you're going to answer my question first.
You're going to roll your window down or I'm going to open your door.
You are not going to do that.
I am.
No, sir.
Okay. 224, supervisor en route. Can you roll the window down lower so I can explain to you why I stopped you?
You're not going to force your way into my vehicle, but I'm going to attack you.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened?
My question, why did you
No,
pull me
you're going to do what I tell you. That's not how this works.
over? Then I'm going to go over into a parking
No, you're not.
gas station, and you can pay your
No,
supervisor.
you're not going to go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off racetrack.
Alright, all units, plus 33 traffic vehicle taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot.
She's still in the parking lot?
Dispatch has been updated.
She took off from me and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to. Alright, simple. Put the Terminator down behind the tire if you can. I got her semi-blocked in.
Sheriff's office, step out of the vehicle, do it now! Step out of the car.
Your time's running out.
She's requesting that the supervisor needs to walk towards the vehicle and she'll drop the window down.
Roll your window down. Roll it down. All right, look, just roll your window down. We'll talk, okay? Just at work. Just. I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen. Just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you. I don't know. I wasn't here. Okay.
Hey, all right. Who's gotten shadow ball?
We're gonna break your window out. Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay? Okay. Here, I get it. Listen. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it going to be? You want your car smashed or are you going to get out? What's it going to be? You want your window broke or are you going to get out? Take your pick. Okay. Okay, we're moving in. We're going to break your window. We're doing it. You're under arrest.
Hands up.
With your right hand, take your seatbelt off.
She's gonna crawl.
Right hand.
She's gonna crawl over. Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now. Yes,
Come
crawl
over.
to us. Do it now.
Come over this way. Come over this way. Yeah, we can listen.
There's broken
Huh?
glass everywhere.
All right.
Step out.
No, please.
Step out.
Okay, don't be rough with me. Please stop. I haven't even done anything wrong. I haven't done anything
Put your hands on your
wrong.
back.
I didn't even do anything to begin with.
Hey, listen. That's what
Listen to what? Aggression?
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Oh my God. Please stop.
Moving for a second, please. Thank you.
You can't put these in front of me. I have.
Congratulations, Amanda. You turned us into something that really didn't need to be. It's just gonna be a. It was all it was gonna be was a warning. Great job.
Perfect.